good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook luncheon meat fried rice. So we need soy sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic, onions, spring onions, carrots, the luncheon meat, rice, 3 cups of rice, and then eggs, and then peas. Okay. Ato sa nilutoon ang luncheon meat. Let's fry the luncheon meat first. Until maluto siya, guys. Okay. Isit aside din nato. Okay, guys. So, the luncheon meat is done. Okay. So, isit aside ang luncheon meat. Okay, so the garlic na. It's good. And then the onion. Okay. I supposed to, it's okay. So guys, this also. The green peas is already cooked, guys. And soy sauce. More little soy sauce. Egg. Okay, we're gonna simmer first for how many minutes para mo-absorb ang mga atoms. Okay, simmer first for a few minutes. Okay guys, so it's done. So we're gonna add the luncheon meat. Look at that one. We're gonna mix it first. Wow. Guys, it's super yummy na. Meat, fried rice. Then we're gonna garnish with another green onions. Okay, guys, so that's our luncheon meat fried rice. Okay, it's tasting time. Yummy. Okay guys, our luncheon meat fried rice, it's super yummy and it's done. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, D.Bro.Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.